तुम्हारी तस्वीर के सहारे।
Hello, welcome back to my channel Kritika Entertainment. Today I will be create wireless network by using switch, router, another wireless router, and 2 desktop and 1 laptop. Okay, so how to start it I'll show you. So here remember one thing, if you are new to my channel then subscribe it. If you have already subscribed then watch the video till last and give the comment whether it is liked by you or not. So here I'll be creating wireless network. So what we'll do, first I'll bring the 2 desktops. Okay, this is the 2 desktop I have brought here. Okay, so then I'll be bring the one switch, that is 2960 model. Okay, then I'll be bring the one router, that is 19 and 41. Okay, then this side I'll bring the one laptop, and next wireless device I will be find where is the wireless device. That is the wireless device. Okay, I will bring the router, wireless router. Okay, these components I show you network. I will show you network, wireless network. So I start the connection first using this network. So how to create this, I'll bring the wires, all wires. So though it is a not similar device, so I'll be bring the copper straight through. Okay, so it will be connected this 0 by 0, and next also this. Okay, and 0 by 1, 0 by 2. Okay, then what will do, this is a dissimilar device, so I'll be bring, okay, copper straight through 0 by 3, and it is here. Okay, so between router to wireless router I'll be bring the copper straight through. Okay, so I'll be bring Ethernet 0. Okay, then also gigabyte Ethernet 0. Okay, so next my network is established, then I'll be write the IP addresses. What is the IP address, I'll be bring it. Okay, so this is the I'll be bring the IP address. Suppose here I'll type the IP address. Okay, so this is suppose 192.168.1.1. okay, and this is 192.168.1.2. okay, and this is for a port here 0 by 0. I'll be bring IP address, that is called 192.168.1.3. okay, first I'll be create the network, this side's network. So what will we do, so first I'll be click here. Okay, this is the 0 by 0, so here click here. Okay, then go to the config. Okay, 0 by 0, I will set the IP address. Set the IP address 192.168.1.3. okay, so auto text, then here default gateway access, type the 192.168.1.3. so here go to the here and desktop IP configuration 192.168.1.1 subnet mask, and default gateway access will be type 192.168.1. Will be give the 2. 3 is the default gateway access. You remember, if you want beginner in the packet tracer, then also I will give the link in the description list, so that you will be learn the beginners tutorials for packet tracer. Okay. Then same as this type, I will click desktop, go to desktop, and IP configuration will be type the what is the IP address of this? This IP address is the 192.168. Okay, so here type 192. Okay, then default gateway access 192.168.1.2. okay, so I will check it whether it is work or not. You just see. Okay, so here I will be check. You see, it is a success panel. Okay. Yes, it is move work success. Then I will be get one network of this side. So what I will type here? Suppose this side network I will be create 192.168. Suppose 2.1. Okay, this is 2.1 and this is equal to 192.168.2.2. okay, so then okay, so here I will be add this port configure that 192.168. so here clear 0 by 1. I will be go to the 0 by 1. Here I will type the on. Okay, I will type the 192.168.1 for okay, IP address of this you type 192.168.2.2. okay, subnet mask plot in stack. Okay, then close it, not close. You go to the LAN. Okay, in LAN it will automatically take 192.168.0.1. Not it is not 192.168.0.1. It will be take as what is my IP address 192.168.2.3. okay, Okay, this side is my IP address. So I'll be overlap. Okay, then I'll be connect this. Okay, so which cable I'll be use? It is not cable we use, it is wireless. So here I'll be click this. Okay, so here desktop IP configuration. Okay, will be type 192.168.2.4 software network automatic text. Then default gateway access will be give the IP address of is 192.168.2.1. So here write 192.168.2.1. Okay, so this is this thing. So I will close this. Then then I have not add the Ethernet port. So how to add this? If you go to the physical. Okay. So you click the WPC 300IN, click the zoom. Then switch off. Then throw away it. Then plug the new hardware. That is WPC 300 in this. Okay, then switch on. Okay, then close. Then you can find automatically LAN is connected. Okay, so now what will we do? I will be check whether it is connected. These two machines or not. So I will do the ping. Okay, so here go to the desktop and click the command prompt. I will type suppose ping. Okay, then what is the IP address? 192.168.1.1. That means this. Press the enter. Okay, reply is coming. That means successful. Okay. Okay, so have you understood how to ping from wireless laptop to a desktop? So I think you have understood. If you understood this, then please subscribe my channel. If you have already subscribed, then comment, like and share. Okay, bye, see you.